beautiful people, and welcome to Lip Balm Kids TV. So, let me tell y'all something. Megalook hair, stop it. Y'all cannot be sending me stuff like this and think I'm not finna turn into that bitch, okay? Y'all can't be doing this. Y'all, this is spoiling me now, cause like, y'all, look at this. Like, it's giving, like, and I was scared to do the blue eyeshadow with the pink hair, but honestly, it's a vibe. Like, so this unit is from Megalook Hair. I do want to give them a special shout out. Thank you so much for sending this over. Here recently, I've been getting out of my comfort zone and trying things that I never tried. I'm just really happy about it. Like, I never do super crazy, not crazy, but super vibrant colors on my makeup. I never do super vibrant colors on my hair. And I don't know, I feel so sexy in this. Like, anyways, I'll have all the information. You guys are gonna ask like, what's the direct link? The link will be in the description box. On a scale 1 to 10, I honestly give this hair a 9.75. Okay, a 9.75. The only thing I would like differently about it is if it was a little smaller. It was a little bit too big for my head. But other than that, this wig is the bomb, y'all. Like, this wig is super soft, super flowy. I cut some layers into it. I did one thing of glue and just put it on. It melted very easily. I think the skunk stripe complements my skin so well. This part actually has like a purple tint to it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this part right here is kind of like a dark maroon purplish. But it's super pretty, super cute. And it was just, I don't know, I'm feeling it. It's so new and fresh. Like, the hair is soft. It smelled good. The hair smelled good. I usually have to co-wash them. I've only had a few wigs where I felt like the company really did like a co-wash and treatment on the hair prior to sending it to me. These people sent me this wig, and this wig, it smells like, almost like a melon, like a cucumber melon type of scent. I don't know. You can tell that they washed it and gave it a treatment prior to sending it to me, and I really appreciate that, because that means that's one less thing that I have to do. I did not pluck it. I did not bleach it. I sprayed it with the lace spray, which you can get at your local beauty supply store, and yeah, that's it. Like, I cut the baby hairs and put it in. And I also did like a little half up, half down thing, which you guys saw in the beginning just now. I did that to show you that it's versatile. I wouldn't wear this wig up because, like I said, it's a little bit loose in the back because it's a little too big. But other than that, this is what I would consider like a damn near perfect wig. Literally, like, I do this for the girls that don't want to do too much but still want to give, okay? I don't want to spend hours plucking. I don't want to spend hours preparing the wig. I don't want to do that. I just want to take it out the box, do a little bit, and then put it on, okay? And Megalook, y'all are giving the girls what need to be gave, okay? If y'all want to see how I achieved this, the layers, throw a little curl in there, and then we got a little side part action. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching.
Gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
baby. Stress is all around us, these high ceilings, and I need it, baby. Pressure and make diamonds, I won't steal it, baby. Silent, baby, hurts to see you crying. Know you trying, ain't no lying, baby. When I say I need you, greedy if I have to share you. It was me that all along did you wrong, thinking that I made you beautiful and strong. This toxicity, the death of me, I feel the day you gone. The most beautiful girl I've ever known.
I'll find a way to treat you better. I swear there's no one out there like you. You teach me to be better. My talk is cheap, keep asking what I do. I'll fly you to the moon and hope I'll see you soon. I'll find a way to treat you better. No problem, I'll do whatever. Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. La 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 la. Da 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 da. La 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 la.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah, I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mine.